Hey guys, and welcome back to French's road trip video. Today's video we are testing the DJIMini 2 drone out on some Northampton lanes. Ben's car, we're still waiting for the cam belt to be done, so that will hopefully be done next week. So today we're in my car, the Freelander 2 HSE. The sun is shining, not too windy as well, which is pretty good for flying the drone. And yeah, should be quite a good couple of hours out and about. We will see you at the Northampton lanes. First little stop off through the village of Morton Pinkney, and then this lane takes us to Plumpton Wood. Let the dogs out, get them out and about, and then get the drone out, and hopefully we'll see what we can see up in the air. So a couple of drone shots there with the DJIMini 2, fairly easy to use. It's almost like using an Xbox controller. You just have to be very careful, spatial awareness, people, trees, buildings. Yeah, you just got to be careful using these drones. But it's given us some really good aerial footage and top photography of above the car, and hopefully we'll be able to use these more out on the lanes. Yeah, so fingers crossed. Next time you see us in the new video we do, Ben's car should be fixed, and we hopefully will be doing some sort of road trip. Hopefully bring the drone along with us. Yeah, and can only hope for weather like this. If you like this video, give us a like, drop us a comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Cheerio!